Sabi ko po is yung purpose in life. Sabi ko, if you consult the Creator, siya yung Creator, He knows why He made you. So, simula ko nang nakilala ko si Lord, I was like, oh, so ito pala yung dapat kong gawin. I was made for this. So, di ba, the purpose, I have to work for this.
Something you're grateful for. Siguro po yung bagong perspectives ko sa buhay na nanggaling po kay Lord. Nakita ko po na life has a better meaning kesa magmukmuk ka na lang sa pork. Ay, ang ganda yun ah!
Kanina siya pa gusto gawin.
Uy, mag-gusto ka na naman ako matapa dyan!
Ito yung isa pa yung struggle. Bakit minsan nawawala yung pagka-gratefulness natin? Comparison, still gratefulness. Don't compare yourself to others. Kasi once you compare it, nawawala na gratefulness mo. Focus ka na sa life mo. Hindi pa yung friend mo eh. God is working in you. God is working in him. In her. Ang kayo ba eh? So don't compare. Lalo ka sa social media. Ang dami kasi diba, you can stop yourself by your pain. Ganda naman ito. Bakit ako ganda? Bakit ito? Nakakapunta dito ako hindi. Parang i-experience nila yung feelings. Pero pray ko naman eh. See your blessings right now.
Hi guys!
Okay lang, kapirang mo siya.
Walang mo yata. Yung ate niya nandito eh. Si ate. Walang salamin. Kuya, ate mi.
What's up, everybody? Everything. That's right.
Kaya, gusto ko lang pakilala kay Kuya Jobo. Graduate ka na with honors or you will end this year with high honors? Sino gusto mag-end this year with high honors? So sabihin mo sa mga nagtaas na kamay, maging excellent ka.
Wala akong bahaw. Diyan na kayo. Alam mo yung ano?
He said to them, anyone who welcomes a little child like this on my behalf welcomes me. And anyone who welcomes me also welcomes my Father who sent me. Ano yung definition ng excellence in Jesus? Whoever is the least among you is the greatest. Whoever is the least, sino yung pinaka-humble? Sino yung kayang mag-serve? Kahit walang kapalit. Kaya gumawa ng mga bagay of good things na walang ina-expect in return. Whoever is the least among you is the greatest. Be excellent. Jesus, for Jesus. Faithful obedience. Di someone na laging nasa front line. Di someone na laging nakakatanggap ng recognition. Pero someone that serves kahit hindi kita. For even the Son of Man came not to be served, but to serve others and give his life as a ransom for many. Being excellent in Jesus, ang magsisilbi para sa ibang tao. Philippians 2:5-6, you must have the same attitude that Christ Jesus did, or Christ Jesus had. Though he was God, he did not take equality of God as something to cling to. Instead, he gave up his divine privileges. He took the humble position of a slave and was born as a human being. When he appeared in human form, he humbled himself in obedience to God and died a criminal's death on a cross. Be excellent through Jesus. Supposed to be like this. Sabi sa John 15:5, I am the vine, you are the branches. If you remain in me and I remain in you, you will bear much fruit. Ano yung nakasulat? Basahin natin. 1, 2, 3.
Apart from me, you can't do.
Apart from me, you can do nothing. Walang purpose, walang meaning, walang direction. Because you are not doing it for God. Maybe yes, temporarily magiging masaya. Maybe yes, for some time, feeling mo you're an achiever. Pero pag nawala na yung hype, pag nawala na yung celebration, ano na kuya? That's why we need to be excellent through Jesus. Sa Colossians 1:15-17, the Son is the image of the invisible God, the firstborn over all creation. For in Him all things were created. All things have been created through Him and for Him. Through Him and for Him. He is before all things, and in Him things hold together. And lastly, be excellent for Jesus. Hindi kasing nakawak ng platform nyo ngayon, yung platform na meron sila, kasi hindi na kayo pwedeng mag-shine for Jesus. Narinig nyo na ba yung salitang to? O yung phrase na to? Bloom where you are planted. Hindi ito yung mga fans ng Bini, pero bloom where you are planted. Excellent in your own campus. Why not be excellent for Jesus by sharing Him sa friends mo, sa classmates mo, or even sa teachers mo? Why not be excellent for Jesus in where you are planted?
Your legs are bound, it's all around. It knows no bounds.
And I feel like
Opo lang ah.
Muna. Tara, bo.
Ayaw mo ba?
Hihila ko eh.
Guys, after prison version. Wala.
May energy pa tayo na.
Meron pa! Wait lang, bro. Ayaw. Kuya, 5 minutes please.
Ay! 5 minutes you okay? Okay.
Yeah, thank you po. Ate Justin, creative team. Creative team. Yeah. Sige lang ate. Thank you. Kuya, papirma ng tech team.
Oh, sali ka na. Sali kayo.
Hanapin nyo na lang po yan. Thank you po. Thank you so much.
Gano'n ginagawa?
Bakit ako sinusundan mo?
Ano ginagawa?
Nagpapapirma. Uy, hindi ko na alam gagawin. Ate, may mapipirmahan ka ba?
Ikaw, let's go fun. Mukha kang creative. Dito ka. Pasahin ko. Bilis. Thank you very much. Ikaw, meron ka. Pwede pasahan.
Kuya Michael.
Ay, babe, bilis! Saan ako? Sige.
Anywhere. Yeah. Saan? Saan? Yeah, let's love it tayo.
Sa stage, meron tayo result.
Blackout na.
Gusto niyo makulong sa Ashley? Magpakulong lang kayo sa inyo.
Dalawa na lang.
Dalawa, Betya! Dalawa na lang! BRB, hanapin ko lang sila. Sana masarap.
Welcome center, mag-enjoy kayo doon.
May kakasiyakin.
Ay, madami kang Kuya rin bagong bukas. Kuya rin dito siya